Have you noticed something? Suddenly everyone is talking about the Temu FREE Gift Offer. It's all over YouTube, TikTok, and even the comments are full of people asking, how do I get the same offer? So I decided to stop watching everyone else and actually try it myself, not with random coupon codes, not with outdated methods. I wanted to know what actually made the biggest difference. Here's what surprised me. The viral offer didn't appear when I used the random codes I found online. The app looked normal, basic discounts, basic shopping, nothing that matched what everyone else was showing. Then I switched to the code on the screen and I used it before I searched for anything, before I added products, before I even started browsing. Within a few moments, the app started changing. I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus, reward opportunities, and the free gift section became much more active. That's when I realized why some people keep posting amazing screenshots, while others think the whole thing is fake. They're not starting with the same code. I even went back and compared a few other viral codes. Same account, same session, completely different experience. Most of them gave me average savings. The code on the screen consistently gave me the strongest combination of coupon bundles and free gift offers. So if you're trying to claim the viral Temu free gift offer, don't make the mistake I made by chasing every working code on the internet. Start with one that's actually been worth using. For me, that's the code on the screen. It's the only one I kept after comparing them side by side. Now let's keep this real. Will every account get identical offers? No. Temu promotions can vary between users, but if you want to give yourself the best chance of seeing the stronger coupon bundles and the viral free gift offers, start with the code before you do anything else. That's the biggest difference I found.